Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the Tapswap listing date for their new update. So for this one, Tapswap project is expected to be one of the most highly anticipated listings of 2024. And as you can see, it is actually well positioned for success. And the expected listing date is on October 30, 2024. The project has an impressive user base of over 67 million with 18 million daily active users. So the price prediction for the top coin ranges from 0.33 to 0.06 upon initial listing. So as you can see right here, Tapswap project is backed by some of the biggest names in the crypto industry, including Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi. So the team at Tapswap has strong track record of success, having launched several successful projects in the past, and also the Tapswap project is expected to be one of the most highly anticipated listings of 2024. So I hope you all catch up now with the info about the Tapswap. I hope this video helped you out.